Hello friends, welcome to Financial Appetite. Myself Pushpen Malakar. Friends, I sometimes get asked what is bull market and bear market and how does it relate with investment. In this video, let's take a look about bull market and bear market and the basic difference between them. So friends, please stay on this video and please subscribe and share this channel with your friends. The bulls and bears that are commonly used in stock market comes from the way these animals attacking their opponent. A bull thrusts its horn up in the air while a bear swipes its paws downward while attacking their opponent. So these actions are metaphor for the movement of the stock market. If the trend of the market is upward, then it's a bull market. If the trend of the market is downward, then it's a bear market. What is bull market? A bull market is period of several months or even years during which stock prices are consistently rising or are expected to rise. A bull market is considered as the economic environment of the country that is growing and optimistic. During the period 2011 December to March 2015, in the Indian stock market, where Sensex surged up by more than 98%. Many factors contribute to a bull market. Among two are very important: the strong economy and high employment levels across the board. Similarly, a bear market is period of several months or even years during which stock prices are declining or are expected to decline. A bear market is the opposite condition of a bull market. Mostly speaking, a bear market is a sign of decline. Many experts agree that being a bear market has fallen more than 20% or more from recent highs. During this COVID-19, where Sensex dropped by more than 40%. A bear market is an indicator of long-term negative growth. For this, economy do poorly and there is high unemployment rate. The basic difference between them: in bull market is up; in bear market is down. In bull market is a strong economy and here is poor economy. Rise of GDP, fall in GDP. Bull market is sign of optimism, whereas bear is sign of pessimism. High employment, high unemployment. In bull market, overall stocks are showing positive and here is negative. Investor confidence tend to climb and here tend to decline. So friends, all you can do is keep invested and wait to reap your return. So friends, please stay invested, stay safe. Thanking you.